Senator Clinton, I'm Brett McFarland, a member of Iowa Citizens for Community Improvement and a physician at Broadlawns Medical Center, Des Moines and Polk County's public hospital, serving our least fortunate. Our healthcare system has failed many of the people in this room in this nation. Many are without healthcare insurance, many others have been denied needed care despite having coverage, and countless others have suffered disparities in access to quality care. Senator, although your plan finally promises insurance for all Americans, I find it flawed in preserving the public and private insurance payer mix. With the private insurance industry incurring large administrative costs and striving for maximum profitization, eating up 30% of every healthcare dollar, accomplishing this by avoiding the enrollment of the very people that need care most, why not expand access to our efficient and effective public health insurances rather than further reward the greed of private insurance with more public monies?
Senator Clinton, your 2-minute response, please.
Well, I totally agree with the doctor's diagnosis, and my plan does that. My plan provides for a public option to compete with private insurance. My plan guarantees that every American is covered by insurance, that no American will be left out. And my plan also regulates the insurance companies because they can no longer do business unless they are willing to change drastically how they treat people and how much they charge and what they cover. I've been working on this for more than 25 years in trying to provide health care to every American, especially to take care of those who are left behind. I'm going to make Medicare more efficient. I'm going to expand Medicaid so that we will always have a safety net, and I'm going to make sure that once and for all we fulfill both our moral and our humanitarian responsibility to provide health care to every American.
Thank you, Senator Clinton, and thank you to our first group of community leaders. Senator Clinton, we're now being joined on stage by our second group of community leaders, and as they come forth, on behalf of all 5,000 of us assembled here at Hy-Vee Hall in Des Moines, Iowa, please know that our prayers and our thoughts are with you and your staff in New Hampshire. Please extend our love to everyone there. Our first community leader is...
Hello, my name is Maite. How are you
Hello.
doing, Senator Clinton?
I'm very fine, Maite.
I come from New Mexico. I am a community leader, a board member from Somos Un Pueblo Unido, and an immigrant student. I was brought to the United States by my single mother when I was 6 years old to reunite with other of my family members, and also for economic conditions in Mexico. They were so bad that it was very difficult to survive there. So I thank my wonderful mother for making that decision. I live in a mixed family where some of us are permanent residents, some of us are US citizens, and some of us have been in the process to legalize our status for over 10 years. We have a broken immigration system. I graduated, Senator Clinton, top 10 in my high school senior. I have 2 associate's degrees, Senator Clinton. I hold 2 associate's degrees, and I am 2 years away from earning a bachelor's degree in education. I want to teach. I'm representing, contributing immigrant families and young leaders whose talents are being wasted. Future nurses, teachers, social workers who want to further give back to their communities. Why? Why not let us integrate, Senator Clinton? Why not let us integrate, fully integrate into our communities? My success, Senator Clinton, and my community success will also be this country's success that as an immigrant, I now call a home.
Hello, can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Hi, Senator. My
Yes.
name is Larry Ginter, and I live on a small farm in Rhodes, Iowa. We have all heard Maite's strong words. Her story is about common people coming into this country looking to better their lives. In truth, it is government policies that drive people out of their homes and countries. I have talked to family farmers from Mexico. They tell me since NAFTA, cheap corn from America flooded their markets, drove down the prices, and millions of family farmers in Mexico have been forced from the land. In America, hog factories bought up the cheap corn, flooded the market, depressed the prices, and drove tens of thousands of family farmers like myself out of business. I believe that American farmers, Mexican farmers, and farmers all over the world have common goals and common concerns. And Senator Clinton, in the sake of our national soul, we've got to quit treating immigrants like common criminals. So I asked Senator Clinton, is it time to rethink immigration policy and trade policy with poor countries? Thank you.
Your response, Senator Clinton?
Well, it is absolutely time to rethink our immigration policy and to have comprehensive immigration reform that certainly does protect our borders, creates incentives for people who are in countries to our south to be able to have jobs where they come from, to work together to create better opportunity, to make it clear that employers cannot exploit people, and to have an earned path to legalization. And I am in favor of all of that. And as president, I will work to make that happen.